Yeah, sure. I mean, I mean, if you spend all day shuffling words around, you can make anything sound bad. Morty, I pro. I programmed you to believe that. Ah, they named a holiday after me. Rick's given. They teach kids about me in school. Don't break an arm jerking yourself off, Morty. Ooh la la. Somebody's Someone's gonna get laid in college. Morty, you know outer space is up, right? Ah, stupid ass. Art saving. Carpet store. Motherfucker.
This is my second installment of Burpin' Rick quotes from Rick and Morty. Again, more to come.